Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Bit of a different video setup for you all today. Got my lovely washing in the background. I wanted to do a kind of week in my life vlog. I do work full time, so obviously that's going to be a little bit hard to be vlogging all the time, so I'm not gonna vlog obviously main work part of my day. I'm gonna vlog all the kind of extra bits. I've been working from home today, so I've literally just finished work and I've got straight back into my pajamas, better believe it. Had a Lush order, but I'm gonna show you that. But yeah, basically I'm just vlogging my 5 to 9 after my 9 to 5, and this is the first of all the kind of Christmassy, cozy vlogs. Hope you really enjoy, and I'm just gonna get into it. Victoria's Secret pajamas right now, one of the comfiest things. I've got them made for my birthday. I literally love. But let's just show you my Lush order, because basically I had this idea for the bathroom that I'm going to talk you through. Here is the big Lush box. I'm going to turn it this way so you can't see my address, just in case. This is what it looks like. Here it is, guys. This is the full Lush haul. Hello. So I did a big Lush haul. I just feel like this time of year is self-care. It is self-care season, okay? So I just thought I could show you guys. Basically, it all started, I actually wanted to do this Lush haul because of this dish. My mum got me this dish for Easter, and it's just got this little bunny rabbit on it. It is the cutest thing. It's not showing up as mint green as it actually is, but it's the cutest thing. I normally keep like snacks on it and stuff. I normally keep it right behind me on my kitchen table or right by my TV. And then I kind of cleaned it all, and I was just like, I kind of want to put bath bombs in it. I feel like this is such a time of year for like skincare and all of that. So anyway, I wanted to do a really girly Lush haul. So let me just show you, because we've got a lot to get through. Yes, I have already unboxed this because I was so excited when it came. I really just wanted to see everything. But so the first thing I got, I'm going to start off with things that aren't the bath bombs. I got the Snow Fairy shower gel. I've never tried this. And also one thing, guys, this is kind of a tainted haul because I actually can't smell. I had COVID back in 2020, and ever since I've not been able to smell. It completely took away my sense of smell, and there's odd little things like I can't really smell that, which is so sad and upsetting because I remember how good Snow Fairy smelled. I remember the scent because I haven't smelled in so long. But yeah, so I got the shower gel. This is the 275 gram, and this was £12, so it's a bit bigger than the small. They have the small size of this. I wish I got a slightly bigger size. To be honest, I only need it for like now till I go home for Christmas, so yeah, got that. I also got the Fairy Dust. This is the Fairy Dust dusting powder. Apply mischievous sprinkling of bedtime fairy dust for sweetly scented glittery dreams. So you can apply this on your body, and you can also put this in your bed sheets. It's kind of like this, and it's like, oh my god. This is so pretty, like Christmas night out. Oh my gosh. The next thing I got, I think this is a Snow Fairy bath bomb. Again, just this pink and blue bath bomb. I just know, even though I can't smell, it will smell like a Lush shop. Like, I feel like YouTube should definitely do scents to smell how good my bathroom is going to be able to smell. Glittery, it's so cute, so love that one. It's just really kind of almost like Dream Queen's like over the top girliness vibe. This is the Sleepy Bear bath bomb. It's got a little bit of the other bath bombs on it. I imagine this to smell like lavender. This is the Magical Santa bath bomb. He's thick, like this one's really thick, and it's got all these cute pinks. So cute. I can't wait to have this just on display in this little dish. Then got the Crystal Snow bath bomb. Then got the Jolly Holly shower bath bomb. It's got some holly on it. Sweet pudding. This is sweet pudding. I'm so sorry because I just realized I got another one that is holly. Holly on the top. So cute, guys, and it's all pink. I then got the Jolly Holly one, which will look so cute. Cute little Christmas decoration. Definitely won't be using this for a while, just to have it out. I then got the Candy Cane Bubble Bar. So cute. I think this is the Butter Bear bath bomb. It's so cute. I think this is lavender that it's got on the top. It's so cute. I've had this one before. Really relaxing, really soothing. Space in this little bath bomb thing. I'm gonna have to probably put some stuff in my cupboard. Last one. Okay, so I think this is Snow Fairy Lights bath bomb, I think. Okay, so this one is really cool. It's got all these little bits can take the top off and like put the bits in first maybe. This is just so fun and it's all sparkly. It isn't so fun because it is. It is. I then got the Snow Fairy candle and this was £12, which is quite expensive for a candle this small. I know this scent like is what every girl loves and stuff. Kind of small for £12, I will say. Now let me show you what I want to do to my bathroom and kind of the vibe I want to go for. Okay guys, can you cope? So this was kind of the full vision. And then I put the fairy dust behind that. Apparently it's meant to make you sleep as well. Be really interesting. I've got just some random body lotions there. These were £3 each as well, and I think it just matches so cute. And yeah, I'm gonna use this in really small doses because obviously it's so small, and for £12, gotta get my absolute use out of it. But I need to cut the tags off the back of these. I actually have lost my scissors, which is brilliant. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you. This is actually, we got this in a gift shop in Cornwall. I absolutely love it. Every time I look at it, it reminds me of mine and my boyfriend's holiday to Cornwall. Still tea light for it, but it's just, I don't know, it's so cute. I don't think it's just showing up on camera how cute it actually is. But yeah, just such a cute little vibe. Just need to cut these tags off. These two though, because I just think they're too cute to burn. But yeah, and I have this whole selection of Lush bath bombs to pick. Also guys, I am currently waiting for my rest of my Christmas decorations to arrive. Tree is up and like a few decorations are on it, but basically I haven't fully done it because I'm waiting for lights, and they're just warm ones. Just waiting for batteries because you need certain batteries for them. Yeah, it's so exciting. So it's gonna be such a cozy vlog. So get a nice hot chocolate, get a nice cup of tea, and yeah, so I'm just waiting. I did track them and they said they were on the way, so I'm just trying to see whereabouts they are. It said, well, this is not great lighting. It said that they could be delivered between 9 this morning and 10 at night. So we'll just have to see. Apart from that, arriving today by 8 p.m. Well, but I'm just so excited for this Christmas. I feel like I wasn't in a very festive mood, and just doing all of this stuff like getting my Lush haul and, you know, getting my baubles and getting some really fun decorations for the tree is just putting me in the best mood. I also need to run to the shop and get some pasta sauce because I'm starving. I've had one meal today. I'm slightly ill. I don't want to advocate for having one meal, by the way. It's really not good for you at all, but I feel like my appetite's really low because I'm slightly ill. So yeah, we're just gonna have to see with that, but I'm starving right now. I'm starving, so I'm gonna go and get some pasta sauce and have gnocchi, sorry. And then Sam is currently out right now and he's coming back later, and then we have to do a load of things for the new flat, just send off some documentation and stuff. It's like a whole stressful process. Super duper excited to be moving in the new year and hopefully make a lot of content for you guys, moving content. Yeah, that's what's going on. So I'm just gonna go out now and get some pasta sauce to take some rubbish down and just do all those boring adult things.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Christmas is all about. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So offering.
Hey guys, all done, all clean. Gorgeous, she's gleaming. I'm gonna light a candle. I'm gonna light my new Snow Fairy candle. I also got these like Bath and Body Works dupes from Aldi. I thought I'd show you guys. I made a little TikTok of them. This one's winter cookies. But yeah, so next job is cleaning the kitchen, which cleaning the kitchen I probably do about 10 times a day. But when you have your own place, you genuinely spend majority of your life, like if you want it to be like a nice place to be. Sorry, my camera just cut out. What's new? I need to mop the floors and then I'm gonna go for a bath and enjoy a bath bomb. Let's do it. Also, forgot to show you guys, but I got this bedding from Primark. How cute is it? It has this floral detail on the back and the front in this like white print. I went in for like just some birthday presents for some of my family members, and I picked up this, and I also had this like checked blanket from ages ago I got in like the springtime. How cute is it, guys? And it's got these little frills. So yeah, I had to show you there. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you what I got from M&S. I also put this artwork up, these prints that I mentioned in my favourites. They're not framed yet, just because frames are expensive and I'm waiting until we move into the new house to frame them and like actually put them up on the wall. But it will be using, I've actually got some of these Command rip slash hangers that my parents so kindly got me when I moved in, but I never got around to hanging anything up. God, town. At the minute, if anyone else lives in Manchester City Central, you will know it is next level. So the first thing that I'm going to show is these placemats from HomeSense. I'm kind of praying that they all fit on my mini dining table. To be honest, I don't think they will. God, I really tan tonight, guys. I don't think they will. I think I'll have to overlap them slightly, but so cute. They have these little Christmas trees on, so I got them. I then got some pasta. This is rigatoni pasta. I got 2 of those. I got 4 stone baked garlic breads. I got some black pepper twists. I absolutely love munching on these before a meal. I got some lemon drizzled cakes. I was gonna get a Victoria sponge, but I thought I'm gonna go like a bit different. Okay guys, so just worked my magic. I've just worked my magic. I live in a studio apartment. We'll be doing a little tour before I move out. I want to remember it, but my apartment's tiny. So this is the best I could do for my table, which is so tiny. All the placemats I've had to fold up, and then to actually balance salt and pepper, I've had to do this and this. But yeah, so I just put all the placemats down, but I've just put these plates under and put all the napkins on top, and I've given everyone a glass. And this is the wine. Yeah, pretty good effort considering I live in such a tiny apartment to have like a mini Christmassy dinner. I think it's really cute, I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up the rest of my apartment. Yeah, here's how you do a tiny dinner place.